is Monday morning. Trying to sneak out without waking my sweetheart up. We are gonna jump in Blue here, our Southeastern Land Specialist rapid response vehicle. And we're gonna head back up to Lester, North Carolina, work on that driveway project some more. Man, I tell you what, old Jared Wells is on it early today. He's already got me one coat down on this road, so I have to do a couple of them right here. Let's just see. Yeah, stretch that load out to there. Oh yeah, that looks good. We'll get on up and blow the dust out of old Yeller, and we'll get to it today. Dusty. Good morning and welcome aboard. Today's first step, we're going to run down to where we dumped all that riprap out of Wilbur on Friday, just to keep emptied out, and we're just going to shuttle a couple of bucket loads up to this upper ditch to kind of help slow water down as it flows down through there. I don't think we're going to have a whole lot of water flow down that ditch, but just in case, we're going to do it anyway. This 3-foot bucket ought to be just about perfect for how much rock I want to put in each breaker. So luckily we have got plenty of riprap left. There was an old culvert coming out here, I believe, that really doesn't look like it's functioning anymore. They used to, when that trench was cut by water down through here, they put a couple of railroad ties through and stepped it down, and I'm sure that helped a little bit. But what we're going to do is shore this edge up. And luckily we've had Jared here with his tri-axle, and we know that a long vehicle has trouble making this curve. So we've moved the road bond over to the edge, but as you can see, even only 200 pounds of me, if I step on the edge, it'll give. So what we're going to do is pack this material in with the bucket. We're just going to hammer it in, and then I'm going to reach down and pull this riprap up to the edge. I'm going to pound it in, and I'm going to keep rolling it up until it gets to the point to where a truck could just drive right over that edge if it had to. That riprap, even though it's big and it has a lot of air between the spaces, it tends to lock in pretty good, and it'll hold an edge in very well. So check this out. just cut this corner a little bit here and make this a little bit easier for them to make the turn up to their pads once they're made. So I'm just going to kind of start digging. Hopefully there ain't no hidden things underground here. According to them, there is not. Look at that dust. That is unbelievable. Too dry, too dry. So as I was saying, while I dig up this sod, anything can happen at any time with this business. I could blow a hose on this thing, it could just shut off at any time with no warning, and I could choose to let it freak me out. I could get mad about it, or I could just get out and start working on it. Well, I can guarantee you something's going to tear up eventually. I may get out of here and Wilbur might have cut off, run out of fuel or whatever, in which case that would be my fault, so there's no sense in getting mad about it. But you just go on, keep a positive attitude, don't quit. That's the last thing you want to do after trying to start a business, because you know you put a lot into it. Think of the good things. Life is full of good things. Don't let one 2-hour delay ruin the other 22 hours of your day. Good things. So let one little bad mess up your life. Besides, it's just dirt. We're just moving dirt. Man, let's back up here. Ugh, bouncy. Good positive news, we're going to be getting our new truck in hopefully sometime next week. We ordered a new F-750. That's had us, that did aggravate us, I'll be honest about it. You know, we were told that it was supposed to get here in the middle of July. Here it is, almost October. You know, but we learned. We were like, you know, let's just not get upset about it. Next time we order a truck, we'll just be sure to order it 6 months ahead of when we actually think we want it. Improvise and overcome. Tell you what, this is some good dirt right here. I'm gonna go dump it off down there off the shoulder where it's a real steep sudden drop off. Maybe we can give them a little bit more of a shoulder. That's my hope. And keep myself leaning back in the seat so I don't just block y'all's view. I ain't got no reason but to be positive, you know. It's a beautiful day. It was like 56 degrees at the house this morning. Perfect. Woke up next to my beautiful wife, went out, blew the Jeep, started right up, got the Dunkin' Donuts, got my order right, got here to the job site, everything cranked right up, especially my little boy Wilbur. Right now I'm kind of stepping up into the bank. I'm not wanting to dig as deep. I'm telling you, just too many good things. And some of you, you know, may be having a hard time. And I understand, I'm not playing down that you're having a hard time, but think about the good things in your life. That's one thing about Dirt Perfect that I love watching. Man, that guy, even when something doesn't go just exactly right, he's usually very humorous about it, you know. I've never seen him get real mad. I'm sure he has. But that's one reason I like watching him, because I haven't seen that. He's just super patient with his workers. I mean, I watched him the other day doing those ICF basements, and that dude, he was describing on how to do something, and I think the worker just wasn't quite getting it, but he just kept on repeating himself, and super patient, happy. I think, you know, more people need to take that attitude. They just do. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to reach up here and I'm going to drag along this edge to break it loose. Up high. I'm not digging in really. And it'll cause a little bit of a taper each time I go back and forth. Get that sod because that just ain't going to compact. See if it'll reach. Oh, yeller. I was thinking maybe she reached. So let me get these other clots out of here. Alright, so I'm going to finish getting this corner straightened out and we'll pick the video up from there. So we're going to be doing a concrete walkway through here up to a concrete driveway that we're going to be pouring. So I'll probably have to throw my 2-foot bucket on to cut this, and then I'll strip the grass off all the way out about 4 inches deep. Okay, so we got the 4 inches cut down for where the walkway is going to be poured. So we're going to move out here and get what they want done for the pad prep. Okay, what I'm working on now is my concrete guy went through here and marked off where he's going to form up for the concrete. And what I've got to do, there's plenty of gravel under this grass from 20, 25 years ago, but we don't want to put concrete right down on the grass. So I'm just stripping this top couple inches off to get down to good material. Loading Wilbur up here. He's finally getting to work on this job. And all I've got to do, if I can see all my marks. And it's my understanding I don't have to be perfect. I've never done the actual concrete work myself. I've got a lot of jobs doing it, but we've always subbed that out. Got a great concrete guy. Just gotta strip all this off. See if I can get lined up here. place to pieces. This little girl, she likes these machines. She likes this stuff. I have to let her ride in this thing, maybe even run it. I believe she'd make a good helper. Alright, well I'm going to get all this stuff dug out here and we'll check back in when we get closer to having it ready to pour. Alright, so got this part of the pad done and that part of the sidewalk done. I just sloped this off so we can dump a big pile of road bond here when Jared comes back, and then I can just work it in and taper it to where everything's a nice smooth transition. I just got to move his car there and then I can start stripping all this grass off. It should be solid. Back old Yanmar up here. I can drop some grass in the old boy. Let's see. Let's just scoot up a little here. That might do it. Let's see here. Maybe not. Whew. Hauling out there today. And I've got some marks in here. Teeth to slice right on through there. More dirt over this way. This may have not been graveled before. Which I thought you had to put road bond down, but I guess they're going to do this pad thick enough to where it don't really need the road bond. Thick enough and rebar. I just do as I'm told. I found that's the easiest thing to do. Definitely easiest. Load a little bit of grass. Start me a sod cutting if I keep this up. It said this only has to be about 4 inches deep, which is about the length of those teeth. At this rate, I'll be able to slope that road down there real nice. I wouldn't mind to learn more about actually doing concrete. I mean, mean, I could do a small little pad and smooth it out, but I just wouldn't want to get into them large pores. Seems a bit stressful for me. I like keeping it low key. Work at my pace, not the pace at which something sets up. Over to doing my man cam here to charge the other GoPro. Keep things moving along. Hope all my fellow contractors have had a good day. We've had good weather, but man, it's dry. This ground over here seems a little bit more moist. I'm gonna run this load of dirt down the hill and I'll be back. Stripping grass. Yep, some rain would be nice. Since I'm going to be pulling that as far this way as I want to, I don't have to take a full bucket width. There's a little gravel in there. That part anyway. Our old Wilbur's gonna get a little dirty today. This old lady, it can move some ground pretty fast. Clean this thing All right, so I got our grading done here. Now I'm going to finish cutting this bank over here and get it to where they can make more of a gradual turn. I'm gonna have Jared drop us a whole load of road bond here, and then we'll get them fixed up. Man, what a fine day! I'm telling you, you can't help but have a positive attitude today. It's beautiful, man. Now you can see up through here, we cut this ditch good and smooth. Dropped a couple of stones of the riprap in the ditch line to help break that water down and get it slowed up a bit. Just gonna ease on up through here. He's done a great job spreading this material in. I'm gonna try to ride over on this edge without going in the ditch. I can usually feel it when it starts kind of tugging at me. I'm close enough at that point. Oh yeah, we got her home free now. That squeal you hear is my fan kicking in when the engine gets a little too hot. Turning out real nice. Man, what a view. What a great day. Great day to be alive. Well, Jared should be right behind me. He called me a minute ago. We got the dirt now, buddy. Be able to taper that shoulder out real nice. We'll get on up here to the top, get turned around, and drop this load of road bond off. Alright, maybe I can beat old Jared. Thing's not stuck. Yep, I believe it is. Got me a built-in catwalk here. There we go. Bit heavy. Somebody's out there. All right, another 16 ton of high quality road bond. The reason I didn't have him dump it there where it's going to end up being is because if we just dumped it in a pile, just cut the grade off, I really don't think that my machine is heavy enough to compact it all the way through every bit of that material. So what I'm going to do is pull the excavator over here, and I'm going to take a couple of scoops at a time, and then I'll either pound it in with the bucket or I'll track it in, or a combination of the two, about every 6-inch lift, and that way we know we get as close to 100% compaction as we can, and that way we don't have to wait for it to settle over time, especially since we're going to end up doing concrete on, I'm pretty sure the plan is all the way around through here, so we need to be a nice gradual smooth transition. So let's hop to it. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I appreciate you coming along with me, and again, I really appreciate all the subscribers I've got. I thank each and every one of you for the support, and you guys just keep viewing and keep commenting and help me make this the best channel that I can. And if you're in Western North Carolina and need one of these services, give us a call. We'd love to work for you. Have a great day.